I built an AI receptionist that can answer any questions and book appointments completely on its own just by having a conversation over the phone. And in this video, I will show you exactly how I built it using Claude Code and an AI voice agent platform called Telnyx. But before we get into the build, let me show you a quick demo.
Thank you for calling Bright Smile Dental. This is the front desk assistant. How can I help you with your smile today?
Hello, I would actually want to book an appointment to clean my teeth. When are you actually guys available?
We'd be happy to help you schedule a teeth cleaning. Our office is open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and on Saturday from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Could you let me know your preferred day and time for the appointment?
I'm thinking of doing Saturday at let's say 1 p.m. Does that work for you?
We can certainly try to accommodate your request for a Saturday appointment at 1 p.m. Could I please have your full name and a callback phone number to get started with the booking?
Okay, my name is Damien and my phone number is 682345 So this is what we're going to build today, and you can have your own up and running in less than 15 minutes, even if you have zero coding experience. So let's get started. But before we can give a business an AI receptionist, we first need to have an actual business. So for this video, I'm going to create a fake dental practice business with Claude Code. Now the first thing that you have to do is to obviously download Claude Code if you don't already have it. Then simply open it up, and in the prompt box, I'm going to type this long prompt where I'm basically telling Claude Code to create me a complete modern website for a functional data and practice agency that is called Bright Smile Dental. Then I'm specifically telling it what sections I want to have, which are a hero section, an about us section, a services section, a contact section, an FAQ, and then a simple footer. And then I simply give it some instructions about how I want the design of this website to be. And now I will simply send over this prompt so Claude Code can create me that website, which we will then use to embed our voice agent on. And boom, as you can see, Claude just finished building out our website for us. And now if we want, we can click on the localhost and take a look at it for ourselves. As you can see, this does look pretty clean. Here we have a book an appointment button and a call us button, which in a bit we will use to set up our AI voice agent. Then next to it we also have a reserve a visit button. Then we have some information about the dental clinic. Then we have an our services section with all the services of the clinic. Then the hours when they are open in this very nice looking section. And then we can see how people can book a visit, which is by coming to us, by calling us on this number, and by emailing us to book an appointment. And at the bottom we have an FAQ section with the most common questions that people ask, and underneath it a nice footer section. So I would say that overall this website does look pretty good. And now it's time that we create our voice agent, which we will embed inside our website so people can literally call us from here by simply clicking on the call us button, and even from the mobile device. Now to set up our voice agent, we're going to use a platform that's called Telnyx, which at least in my opinion is by far the best and easiest platform to create a voice agent on. Since literally all you have to do is to go over to telnyx.com, which I will also leave a link for in the description below, and then you simply need to come over here and sign up for an account. Now, once you do that, you will have to go through a verification process, which is standard in all the platforms that allow phone calls, and that is because that is something that is regulated by the government, so you do need to verify your identity. So once you go through that 5-minute verification process, then you will be brought over in this interface over here, where you can set up multiple different things, like the ability to receive voice calls, the ability to buy different phone numbers, the ability to automatically send and receive text messages via SMS, along with a lot more things, which if you want, you can manually come over here and start setting up for yourself. But the reason I really love Telnyx, and why I said before it is by far the easiest platform to use, is because they have their own dedicated API, which allows you to take that API key, give it over to an AI agent like Claude, and basically tell it to set up everything for you, which means that you don't have to spend time manually setting up your voice and SMS agents. Now to access their API, all you have to do is to simply come over here, click on your profile, and then navigate over in the API key section, where then all you have to do is to simply click on create API key. Then if you want, you can give it a description. I'm going to say video since I'm creating this for a video. And then you can set the expiration date of that API key. Now we'll leave this on no expiration and simply click on create. And this is going to create you your Telnyx API key, which then all you have to do is to simply come over here and copy, and then come back over to Claude Code, say something like, this is my Telnyx API, and simply paste it in. Plus, if you want to help out Claude Code, you can come over to this GitHub repo where Telnyx has created a repo with 100 different voice agents for different businesses and functions, like an accounting tax season agent, like an activation SIM card agent, like an AI appointment booking agent, along with a lot more, which you can take a look at your own time. And they also have created another GitHub repo, which if I actually navigate to, it has all the instructions that our AI agent needs, which in our case is Claude Code, to actually know how to use the Telnyx API along with all of its endpoints, so it can basically set everything up for us. And as you can see, they don't just have this for Claude Code, they also have it for Cursor, for Windsurf, and for a bunch of other AI apps. So literally, all you have to do is to simply copy these two URLs, which I will also leave a link for in the description below, paste them over to Claude Code, and say something like, hey, I also gave you two GitHub repos. In the first one, Telnyx has created a bunch of different agents, which you can take a look at and see how the infrastructure works. And the second GitHub repo is actually guiding you of how to use all the API endpoints that Telnyx has. So make sure you take a look at those two repos, analyze them, and figure out exactly how you can go and set up a voice agent for a dental practice that will be able to answer all the questions that a user might ask him. And then I wrote the last part of the prompt, which is using the Telnyx API, create a voice assistant for this dental clinic that is going to pull info from that business from the website that it is on. Then I also want Claude to write instructions, pick a voice, also buy a number if I don't actually have one in my Telnyx account, attach it, and set the webhooks so our voice agent is working correctly. Now don't worry, I'm going to leave a template for this prompt in the description as well, so you can just copy and paste it if you want. And now we'll simply send it over. So Claude can first go look into these two GitHub repos and figure out how the structure of these agents work and what API endpoints it needs to hit. And then with that information and with our Telnyx API key that we gave it over here, it is going to go and set up our voice agent for us, which I literally love because we don't have to do any of the manual steps. We don't have to go over to Telnyx, buy a number for ourselves, set it up, create custom instructions, then embed it back in the website so it is working correctly. And all of these things are going to be done by Claude since we gave it access to all the context and information that it needed. And boom, Claude has finished building our voice agent for us. As you can see over here, it's telling us exactly what it did, which is to reach this API. Then it also went over and wrote the instructions that our agent is going to be following. Then it picked a voice and model, which you can obviously customize, and I will show you how to do in a bit. And then it also bought a US number for us for just $1, and then we only have to pay $1 a month to upkeep it, which is honestly a super affordable price. And then it also attached all the webhook endpoints so our voice agent is working correctly once we call it, which are all things that if we didn't have the API, we would manually need to go over and set up by ourselves. But with the API, Claude basically did all the work for us. And now if we come back over in our website, we can see that in the call button, it tells us to call this specific number, which is exactly what I'm going to do right now from my mobile phone. As you can see, I already dialed in that number and I will put it on speaker.
Thank you for calling Bright Smile Dental. This is the front desk assistant. How can I help you with your smile today?
Hello, I would actually want to book an appointment to clean my teeth. When are you actually guys available?
We'd be happy to help you schedule a teeth cleaning. Our office is open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and on Saturday from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Could you let me know your preferred day and time for the appointment?
Let me think for 1 second.
Of course, take your time. Just let me know when you're ready, and I'll be here to help you schedule your appointment.
I'm thinking of doing Saturday at let's say 1 p.m. Does that work for you?
We can certainly try to accommodate your request for a Saturday appointment at 1 p.m. Could I please have your full name and a call phone number to get started with the booking?
Sure, but before that, are you an AI? Can I actually speak to a human?
I am an AI assistant here to help with scheduling and general inquiries. If you prefer to speak with a human, you can call our office directly at 555-012-3456 or email us at hello@brightsmileydental.com.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Whenever you're ready, Just let me know your full name and callback phone number, and we'll get your appointment set up. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.
So what information did you want from me exactly? Because I forgot.
No problem at all. I just need your full name and a callback phone number to schedule your teeth cleaning appointment for Saturday at 1 p.m. Once I have that, I'll send you a confirmation.
Okay, my name is Damian, and my phone number is 682345 613.
I'll make sure our team follows up with you by phone or email to confirm your appointment. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us at 555-012-3456. Thank you for your patience, Damien.
Thank you very much. Goodbye. And boom, guys, as you just saw, I just finished with my phone call to the AI voice assistant agent. And as you can see, it's working exactly as we wanted. It basically asked us what service are we looking for, and then it took our information to actually book us an appointment. And that is honestly super impressive, since we managed to set this full system up just by using one single prompt. Well, if we didn't use the API that Telnyx gives us, then this would probably be a 1 hour process to set up this full agent. So now let me actually show you what happened in the backend, which you can access by coming over here and clicking on AI Suite, and then this is going to bring us over here in our dashboard, where we will be able to see the number of phone calls that we made, how many of them were connected, the total minutes, the average call duration, and how much they cost us. Now the phone calls are 3 because I did test this before the demo that I made you, and as you can see, everything is very nicely displayed in this dashboard. Plus, we also have the AI assistant section where we can click on and see the exact AI assistant that we currently have. We can see the model that it is using, and if we want, we can also click on edit and change basically everything that it has. We can change the name, the model, we can change its greeting, and we can also customize its system instructions, which as you can see are the instructions that Claude went over and wrote for us. So if you didn't like something that the agent said or did, you can simply come over here, change the prompt, and then the response of the agent is also going to change. Then we also have the tools section where we can see all the tools that Claude went over and said for us, which are some webhooks, a transfer tool, and the hang up tool, so the agent can actually close the call if we're not the first ones after a certain time where nobody's speaking. Then we also have the text to speech section where we can literally come over here and change the provider of our text to speech if we actually want to. Now I strongly advise you to use Telnyx, since I think you guys heard how good of quality Telnyx had and also had very low latency as well, which meant that after I spoke, the AI basically answered almost immediately, just like a normal conversation. And we also have the option to change the speaker. Right now we're using Katie, which is a friendly fixer, but if we want, we can literally come over here and select each one of the speakers that we want. And as you can see, Telnyx literally has hundreds of them. Plus, if we want, we can come over here and see all the phone numbers that we have. We currently have just one, which is this one over here. And Telnyx also has a messaging section where you can tell it to send automatic SMS messages to the people that call you as well, which would be something very useful that you could do after, let's say, the call ended and the appointment has been booked. Maybe you could email that person with exact date and time their appointment has been scheduled on. And again, you have the option to do it manually if you want, by coming over here and creating a profile and going through all of the steps. Or you can simply come back over to Claude and tell it something like, now what I want you to do is to set up an automatic SMS follow-up where after somebody books an appointment, the AI is going to email them with a confirmation that will include the date and time that an appointment has been booked on. And boom, as you can see, that's exactly what Claude went over and did for us. It created the send message tool, and now after we close the phone, we're going to receive a text confirmation message in our phone that will include the date and time in which the appointment was created in. And we can verify that it did because if we come back over to our Telnyx dashboard and if we navigate over in the messaging section, this time we see a brand new messaging profile, which is the SMS confirmation message that I talked about. Now the only caveat to this is that for you to be able to send an SMS to a Europe number, you will need to go through a verification that may take up to 24 hours, and that's not because of Telnyx, that is because of the strict EU regulation laws. That's why I cannot demo this feature in this video, because I want to publish this as soon as possible, but all you would have to do is to simply go through verification that the European Union requires, and then our US number would normally be able to send that SMS confirmation message even to a European number with no problems. Plus, if you want, you can take the agent that you build with Telnyx and literally also embed it in your website as a chatbot, so users can also access that agent through there. But that's completely optional, and usually for more traditional businesses, it is better to go with a normal phone call than something embedded in your website, but that is again completely up to you. So that was how you can build your own AI receptionist in less than 15 minutes. Now I'm going to put the link to both of the Telnyx GitHub repositories, one with all the pre-built voice agents and the other one with the detailed instructions for how the API works, in the description below, so make sure that you can easily access them. And the top link in the description will be for Telnyx, since that is the platform that allowed us to create a full voice agent that people can dial in the phone with literally just one prompt. So if you want to set up something similar, make sure you click the top link in the description, sign up for a Telnyx account, and then create any voice agent that you want. But also YouTube thinks that you're going to enjoy this video. It will just show you how I build a full stack app with anti-gravity. So make sure you go and watch that next. And I will see you over there.